Hey guys, Brisket Medic here. We are off the porch again this morning. We're at Buffalo Springs Lake. We've got a couple of the Jeeps together from the Flatland Crawlers. We got Travis, and who's this, Travis? Scout. We got Travis and Scout with us today. They're gonna lead the way, and Scout's excited to be here. I got the wife and the two kiddos in the Jeep, and we're about to hit the trails. It is a beautiful October day out here. It's gonna be in the 80s here pretty soon, so it's not too bad.
They couldn't take advantage of them, but so far today they look in rhythm, they look confident. Seems like they have a really good plan to take advantage of the Florida defense. It is not as good as they usually are. Final seconds here, the open quarter, and Vaughn has another.
Getting out of sand? Who put sand up here?
More.
To him. It's tough to get up. Roads are soft, man.
Yeah, really.
We're naming the Jeep either Bessie or Astrid, but either way, she barely made it up that. That is very soft sand. I don't know if you can still see it all in the air, but let's take a look and see Desert Fox. First part's not too bad. It's just there's some scallops in the road right here. And it's real loose sand. You see all that dirt in the air? Not too bad. This place right out here, it's an amazing view, and there's just trails everywhere. So we're gonna jump back in and we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go and drop off to the east side of the trails. The east side of the trails, there's a lot more trees, it's a little more shaded, and a little more rocky. It really doesn't even feel like you're in West Texas when we go over there. So let's go. So that rock looks fatter and shorter than it really is. It's cameras do that to stuff. Rocks.
Jerk.
Remember when I told you there's a part out here that makes you think you're not in West Texas? This is it. It's pretty awesome, actually. It's kind of nice to get away from the flat dirt, no tree land of dryness, despair, and no hope. You ready? Nope. enjoyed our time out here at Buffalo Springs Lake. If you're in the West Texas area or in the Lubbock area and you have a Jeep or a UTV or a Razor, whatever, four-wheeler, dirt bike, you need to check out Buffalo Springs Lake. We had a great time. We always have a good time out here. This is a good place for you. Hey, this is Brisket Medic. Make sure you drink more water.